y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's been, you know, a couple of months, but I'm Tiara Shanice and this is going to be a hair video. The company I am working with today is ZLIKE Hair. ZLIKE Hair. It is a honey blonde highlight wig. Honey blonde highlight wig. It is a 26-inch and it is a lace front wig. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. So I normally don't bleach the knots on color wigs. You can if you want to, if it's brown, but me personally, I don't like to bleach the knots, so I'm not going to bleach the knots on this wig at all. I'm just going to pluck it and install it. So I'm going to just show y'all exactly how I do that. The wig so far, like, I just unpackaged it. I will try to insert a clip of how the packaging was looking like. So I just unpackaged it. This is what it looks like. The hair is extremely soft. I don't know actually the density of it. It is probably 150. Y'all know how Amazon is, so it's probably like 150. And so far it is definitely true to length. This is definitely a 26-inch. The hair is very soft, very silky so far. I received minimum shedding. It didn't really shed, so like right now I got like a strand or two, if you can actually see that. I got like 2 strands, so it's nothing too major. This is what the hairline is looking like so far. So y'all know it usually says pre-plucked, so it is pre-plucked, so you could install it just like this, but me, I don't do that. I like mine plucked. So that's what we're gonna do. It does have a transparent lace as well. The lace is actually very stretchy, so I feel like this wig is gonna install really good. When your lace is really stretchy and somewhat thin, you're gonna have that melt, like that melt. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. It does have 3 combs at the top. Y'all, I don't actually use my comb. I sometimes use the comb at the bottom, but not all the time. And it does have the elastic band. Now, this is how I make my wigs tight, with these bands. I cross them, do whatever, swoop doop. That's how I make my wigs tight. A lot of people ask, how do you tighten your wigs? The elastic bands are there for a reason. It's not there to hold the wig together. So I tighten mine with my elastic bands at the bottom. I always cut this piece off as well. So the tracks are actually laid on this wig pretty close, so you really can't see through it. So it may actually be a higher density. I'm not sure. I'll check it out, and of course everything will be linked down below to let y'all know. And we're gonna get straight into it. So I'm just taking my fingers and just combing these curls out. So yeah, aren't y'all ready?
I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah, Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston, and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I gotta protect you when you feel you are in danger. You know what I know, no new man, you know I'm not a stranger. You want to know what you're comfortable. You want to believe it, you're comfortable. I know, I can't let you go. I know. This is I got things are so pretty round this time
So I already told y'all that the lace was gonna be good on this wig. I just knew it. Like, I just knew it. I knew it was gonna be good. Like, it was stretchy and it was thin. Like, I just knew it was gonna be good. Like, what lace? Like, I didn't even do much to it. Like, I can't believe this. Like, HD, I thought it was transparent. People, baby hairs is like an accessory. Like, do you want to be plain or do you want to add a little something something to your look? Oh my gosh.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't have a loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Eilish, turning in a given time. Personal problems till the talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it too used to be this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know on the things that she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, only time I get some Z's. Full cook press foot on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know I let go, we only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much.
Right, so how are y'all feeling the hair? Like, how are y'all feeling it? So y'all already seen it in a wet state, y'all seen it dry, and y'all seen it diffuse. So which one do y'all actually like the best? So I did trim the ends. So I did trim the ends and I did frame a little bit around my face, and that is about it. I just have been fluffing it up to add like volume, body, to make it more dense looking, and I'm actually liking it. I'm actually liking it, but I do really like the color. Just let me know what y'all think of this hair. I will leave everything listed down below. Don't already follow me on social media, of course, do that. Of course, it's gonna be at Tiara Shanice. On TikTok is Tiara Shanice, or Instagram is Tiara Shanice. I will list everything down below, and I will also link this hair down below. It's on Amazon. So y'all make sure y'all go check this out. Again, this is a 26-inch honey blonde. I will leave everything down below, and y'all tell me what y'all think.
This one I better do with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did jabata. cover my face, calling me like bad out. Biggie man, wait, don't where I back that. Let me tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I no fee, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I no fee, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when they do, and they try to take you on my way. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty suffer we face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one.